To my channel. This video I will show you how to change the taskbar size in Windows 11. So if you want to adjust the size of icons in the taskbar, you are the right place. Go to settings, then search run and click on enter. You can also type Windows plus R key to open it directly. Now put this uh, put this in the search bar, regedit, and after typing regedit, select OK, select yes. Now you have to choose the key as I'm showing you. Click on H key current user as you can see on the left screen. Click on it. Now you have to choose software. Scroll down a bit, you will see software here. Now, after choosing software, go to Microsoft. As you can see here, Microsoft, as I already shown for you. Now you have to scroll down a bit. After choosing Microsoft, you have to choose Windows folder. As you can see here, in the Windows folder, you have to select current version. As you can see here, current version. Then in the current version folder, you have to open Explorer. Scroll down a bit, you will see Explorer. As you can see Explorer, click on it. Now, now you have to look for wait a minute. Yeah. Now you have to select this folder Advanced, and in the Advanced folder, you have to choose this D word. As I, let me show you taskbar size. As you can see, a taskbar size move. Click on it, double tap on it. Now, you can see here the value data 0. 0 means if you want smaller taskbar icons, and you can put here 1 for the medium size icon default, and you can put 2 for larger size taskbar icons. So I will put 1 and I will click on OK. Once done, tap on OK to save the changes. To apply changes, you have to restart your PC, and you can check from here. My taskbar size looking much bigger, and that's it. So guys, I hope you like the video, and thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and subscribe.